Let's see how we can integrate SendFox with Academy LMS to enhance your email campaigns smartly. First, we need to install the WP SendFox WordPress plugin on your site. Go to the Plugins menu and search for WP SendFox in the WordPress repository. Click Install, then Activate. Next, we need the API key to connect with SendFox. Go to your SendFox account dashboard. From the Settings menu, click on API. Then click Create New Token. Give it a name and click Create. Your API key will be generated instantly. Select and copy it. Now, go back to your website and paste the API key into the field provided. Click Save Changes. Your site is now connected to SendFox. Click the Reload List button to sync the email list on this website. Next, go to the Academy LMS add-ons page. Search for SendFox and enable it. Click the gear icon to configure the add-on. Here, you'll see all your SendFox email lists. Select the list where you want to send student emails after enrollment. Click Save Changes. Now, let's do a test. Go to the Students page and manually enroll a student for testing purposes. After enrollment, go back to your SendFox dashboard and check if the student's email has been successfully added to your selected list. Nice and easy, right? That's how you can integrate SendFox with Academy LMS and send emails automatically upon student enrollment. Thanks for staying up to date.